fireworks.
And how are you making fireworks, Anna?
With water and oil and colour paint.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So get the water and fill up the jug.
There's too many.
Careful. Have one hand hold it. Okay, well done. Okay, Savannah, with the oil,
Yeah.
put it in the water.
Yeah.
Put the oil in the water. Well done. Okay, now watch the oil. So the oil now is sitting on top of the water, isn't it? Okay, so now you're going to get some colours, food colour, with the pipette. And you're going to squirt some more colour into the... Really? Oh, see? What's happened?
It got pink. I'm going to use some more now.
Okay. What colour are you going to do now?
Green.
Green. Okay, go on then. What happened when you put the colour in the water?
It got colour.
Did it? Did the water change colour?
Yeah. Can we look at the ball?
Oh look, it's exploding bit by bit because it's sitting in the oil. Oh look, it's green now, Bob. Ooh.
Pink and green.
Okay, so you can see all your oil still sitting at the top, but the water's changed, but the oil hasn't changed colour, has it? So what does that show? That water...
Fireworks.
Well, not really fireworks, were they? No. But it tells us that oil weighs more than water. That's new, isn't it?
Yeah. Bye, we see you next time.